Welcome students, class 11th chemistry. Today we are going to discuss some basic principles and techniques, organic chemistry unit 12, and the topic of today is nomenclature part 2, hydrocarbons, type of carbons and alkyl groups. Saturated hydrocarbons, we know that alkanes are the compounds with general formula CnH2n plus 2. Root word plus primary suffix "ane" is added to root word, so it becomes alkane. Depending upon number of carbons, these are named as methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, having carbons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 respectively. And the carbon with 10 carbon is known as alkane, with the 10 carbon is known as decane. So on the basis of alkanes, we can study the type of carbons and the alkyl groups present in a molecule. Types of carbon atoms. First of all, we must know the nature of the carbon atoms in the hydrocarbons, because these define the nature of the carbon. Primary carbons are those which are attached to only one carbon or no carbon. Secondary carbons which are attached with two carbons and two hydrogens. Tertiary carbons are 3-degree carbons are those attached with 3 carbons, and quaternary or 4-degree carbons are attached to 4 carbons. These are having no H. So on the basis of the nature of carbon, the nature of hydrogen can also be predicted. The nature of the hydrogen will be same to which type of carbon it is attached. For example, the hydrogen attached to 1-degree carbon is also known as 1-degree hydrogens, primary hydrogens. And if these are replaced, the compound will be primary in nature. Different type of alkyl groups. Alkyl group is derived from alkanes by removing one hydrogen atom. एल्केन्स के फार्मूले में से अगर हम एक H रिमूव करते हैं तो जो रिमेनिंग बचेगा दैट इज एल्काइल ग्रुप. सो जनरल फार्मूला ऑफ एल्काइल ग्रुप इज CnH2n plus 1. One H is less here. And alkyl group is named by substituting YL for ANE. एन की जगह पर YL लगाया जाता है in the corresponding alkanes. Hydrogen of which type is removed to prepare alkyl group, same is the nature of the alkyl group. Alkyl group को बनाने के लिए alkane से जिस टाइप का भी H रिमूव किया जाएगा, alkyl group की नेचर भी वही होगी. For example, alkanes and alkyl groups are given. Methane CH4, so its methyl group will be CH3. If ethane is there, so C2H6, so alkyl group will be CH2CH3 with one valency free. ET the abbreviation. C3H8 propane. If one H is removed, it is propyl. CH3CH2CH2. And to the dash, any atom other than hydrogen can be added. Butane is giving the alkyl group butyl. Now we can find out the nature of the alkyl groups prepared from different alkanes. Number 1, propane. Propane has general formula CH3CH2CH3. There are 3 carbons, and the removal of H may be from number 1 or number 3 carbon, means terminal carbons, and may also be from central carbon, second number carbon. So when one H is removed from terminal carbon, its name will be propyl. CH2CH2CH2 dash. If H is removed from central carbon or second number carbon, so its name will be isopropyl. CH3CH3 with free valency. Alkyl group of butane, in the same way we can derive the nature of the alkyl group. Butane has 4 carbon atoms with hydrogen atoms around each carbon, and there may be removal of H number 1 from N-butane, where the chain is straight, all the carbons are in straight chain, that is N-butane, and it will give two alkyl groups. Number 1, H from the terminal carbon is removed, and second, the hydrogen is removed from 2 or third number of carbon. So CH3, CH, CH2, CH3, it is known as secondary butyl because CH2, CH2, these are secondary carbons. So secondary H is removed for the preparation of secondary butyl. 2 number, 3 number carbons are secondary in nature, 2 degree in nature. So H is secondary in nature, which is removed. So compound will also be secondary butyl. Butane can also be represented as isobutane, 3 carbon chain with 1 carbon with its hydrogens at central carbon, and it is isobutane. It is isomer of N-butane. So it can give the tertiary butyl, means H can be removed from the central carbon. It will produce a new butyl group, tertiary butyl group. So H is removed from tertiary carbon, 3 degree carbon. So compound will also, alkyl group will also be tertiary butyl. यहाँ पर tertiary butyl group इसलिए कहा गया है क्योंकि आइसोब्यूटेन का जो सेंट्रल कार्बन है इसके पास ओनली 1 H है. This H is removed. It is 3 degree H attached to 3 degree carbon. So we can derive the nature of the alkyl groups. Or pentane. Pentane can be represented by 3 structures. There are 3 isomers of pentane: pentane, 2-methyl butane, and 2-ethyl propane. Or we can also say that these are in different way. One side ethyl group, two side methyl group. So these can be represented as number 1 from pentane. The compounds, the alkyl group which can be obtained, number 1, in first case from pentane, in first case the H is removed from terminal carbon. In second case the H is removed from second number carbon. In third case H are removed from carbon number 3. Next is the 2-methyl butane. It is also known as isopentane. It is also known as isopentane. So from isopentane it can be presented. How the alkyl group can be produced? It can be produced by removing 1 H from 1 degree, means tertiary carbon, terminal carbon, and it is CH3, CH3, 2-methyl butyl. In second case 1,2-dimethyl propyl, the H is removed from the carbon number 2, it is secondary carbon, and the remaining group is alkyl group attached. In next case 1,1-dimethyl propyl, the H is removed from tertiary 3 degree carbon. From 3 degree carbon it is given 1,1-dimethyl propyl. In fourth case 2-methyl butyl. 2-methyl butyl can be prepared by removal of hydrogen from the carbon attached to 3 degree carbon. That is 1 number from the left side. So in this case, in this same way we can find out the different type of alkyl groups. 2-ethyl propane is one more isomer of pentane, and it can give the compounds. Number 1, if carbon having 1 H is removing its H, that is carbon compound is alkyl group will be, it will be a butyl, neobutyl. Number 1 CH3 carbon, terminal carbon is removing its H. So it is 2,2-dimethyl propyl, or it may also be named as neopentyl. Neopentyl. So in the same way, we can find out the nature of the alkyl group. So simply isopropyl, propyl, secondary butyl, isobutyl. These are the common names which are normally used. Branched alkyl groups are these of 5 types, which are very common, were most important in the organic reactions. Isopropyl, the functional group or any other atom is attached on central carbon. In secondary butyl, it is attached to the CH, which is iso in nature, and isobutyl, it is attached to CH2CH, means terminal carbon. The primary H is removed in isobutyl. In secondary butyl, secondary H is removed. In tertiary butyl, tertiary H is removed. In neopentyl, the primary H is removed, but the group as a whole is neo. Neo means having one carbon which is having no H. So that is known as neopentyl. So these are the different alkyl groups. So thank you for all today. Keep watching, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.